It's time for Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather. Here's your host, Abby Dyer.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your Tuesday, July 18th. We are waking up once again to the opportunity for some showers and thunderstorms today, as well as the heat and the humidity. I know we've been talking about that day after day now, and it's just relentless. It's not going to go anywhere. So that's a big headline in your forecast today: summertime heat and humidity. In fact, we are going to see heat advisory criteria for many of us in the Ozarks today. That means heat index values. I think for a lot of the afternoon, they're going to be floating up near 105 degrees. Again, that's the feels like temperature, but actual temperatures today will be soaring into the upper 90s. Isolated storms are also in the forecast today. Not for everybody. Eastern Ozarks, you have a better chance for seeing some of those isolated strong thunderstorms today. We had a nice little line of thunderstorms that developed yesterday afternoon. And I think much like yesterday, any of the storms that get going out there today have the potential to be on the strong side, bringing quite a little downpour when they move through. Better chances, as I mentioned, going to be in central Missouri as well as the eastern Ozarks. And that's primarily going to be out there early in the day on Tuesday, lasting through the afternoon hours. And then the skies will clear up for us. A few of those storms, though, as I mentioned, they could be on the strong side. In fact, when I look at how much rainfall is possible here, there will be spots that could see an additional inch of rain that get underneath the thunderstorm activity. So today, if you see cloud cover, if you see thunderstorms, if you're in the northeastern Ozarks, you're probably going to have a limited temperature today. So that's the good news with the rain and storms. It means that the heat and humidity, not quite as bad for you. Those of us along Highway 65, areas back to the west, we are probably going to see the heat and humidity out in full force. Huge headline in the forecast today is that heat index values, they are going to be brutal. We are talking dangerous heat in the Ozarks, and it's just another day where those temperatures will be flirting with the triple digit mark. Heat index values well up into the triple digits, and it's today, tomorrow, and Thursday that we have this oppressive heat and humidity around. Then a bit of a pattern change as we head into late this week. By Thursday, Friday timeframe, I see an opportunity for a cold front. It's going to bring a shower chance to the Ozarks, and it's going to allow our temperatures to cool it a little bit as we get closer to the weekend. We're going to see some temperatures that are more normal for this time of the year, which is still warm, near 90 degrees, but we just don't have that really bad humidity to go along with it. So the forecast today, looking hot, 97 for the forecasted high temperature in the Ozarks today. I do have a small chance for some showers and thunderstorms. It's not going to rain all day anywhere. It's another one of those situations where you might get a stray thunderstorm. Best chance will be in our northeastern Ozarks, but it will limit the temperature for you if you do get some of those rain and storm chances. I've got another hot one for Wednesday, 98, the forecasted high temperature. Better chance for rain coming in here, I think, for a more widespread area. That occurs by Friday of this week. And then we're talking about a summer-like weekend in the Ozarks. Both Saturday and Sunday look dry to me at this point, and temperatures should back off a little bit. So it'll be nice for the area waterways, the lakes. I think they'll be crowded this weekend, looking nice and summer-like as we head closer to Friday and Saturday. All right, it's time for the Wake Up Weather Brain Twister question for the day. I'll answer yesterday's question. It was, where is the hottest temperature on Earth recorded? The options were A, Libya, B, California, C, Iran, or D, in Mali. Answer: many of you guessed this correctly. I saw over on the comments on the Around the Ozarks Facebook page. It is B, California. It has oftentimes made it upwards of 130 degrees. And according to the World Meteorological Association, that high temperature record is actually 134 degrees Fahrenheit. And yes, of course, it was around Death Valley, California. And now this has happened a lot where we've gotten these temperature recordings around 134. But in order to be official, the World Meteorological Association has to actually review those records. So there have actually been a few places. In fact, there was a temperature that was recorded in Libya of 136. Well, the organization actually threw that out because they said that the thermometer was faulty. So as it stands today, 134 degrees record. It's an old one, set back on July 10th of 1913. This week, though, Death Valley making some headlines because they're talking near record temperatures. We'll see if that record falls this week with this big ridge of high pressure that's bringing heat and humidity to so many across the country. All right, I want to show you the weather quiz question for tomorrow morning. This is what I'll answer on Wednesday. Which soft drink was created in Missouri? You know this one? Options here: A, Dr. Pepper; B, Orange Crush; C, Sprite; or D, 7 Up. Which one of those has roots here in Missouri? Do you think it's in the Ozarks? I'll tell you tomorrow. That's going to happen on the Wake Up Weather podcast. In the meantime, if you need weather information, head around to aroundtheozarks.com. We've got you covered there all day long. I will catch you early tomorrow morning with the answer to that quiz question and another look at the heat and humidity. I'll also let you know when those thunderstorms are going to arrive for us for the end of the week. Have a great afternoon, and I will catch you in the morning.